Here we are at Mayo Clinic, and I want you to remember that your safety and the safety of our staff are the most important things for us, and we always keep that in mind. We are here to care for you, and we are ready. I'm Dr. Amy Williams. I am a kidney specialist, but I'm also the executive dean of the practice here at Mayo Clinic.
Okay.
And thank you for feeling safe enough to come today.
I felt safe coming here. I wouldn't be here if I didn't.
Thank you. Thank you for trusting us with your care.
Yes.
I want to remind you, if you are sick, if you have a medical emergency, call 911, go to an emergency room. It is safe to go to emergency rooms. It is safe to see your doctor. Don't wait. Continue to stay connected. If you have a chronic disease and things aren't going well, or you're perfectly healthy, but all of a sudden you don't feel well, seek medical care. It is safe to see your doctor. It's safe to go to emergency rooms. We have done a lot to protect your safety. We're ready to care for you on campus, and if you can't come, on a virtual visit. Thank you very much.